Kangaroo collisions are going up over time. People underestimate the risk caused by kangaroos and their chances of hitting one.
I was going to work, all of a sudden one just popped out. I think I was pretty lucky. If it had gone through the windscreen, I may not have walked away.
Others sadly aren't so lucky. Across Australia, particularly in winter, you'll see dead kangaroos along the road, marked with paint like this. It signals that they've been checked for joeys by a licensed rescuer.
Tens of thousands of drivers hit kangaroos on our roads. The collisions we've seen are devastating.
As the maker of the Amarok, one of Australia's most popular utes, Volkswagen has always innovated to make driving on our regional roads safer. 3 years ago, we set out to develop the world's first scientifically proven kangaroo deterrent. Introducing RooBadge. A revolutionary accessory that can transform the iconic Volkswagen badge into a protective audio shield. Being developed with the University of Melbourne, RooBadge connects to an in-car app that uses machine learning to compare the vehicle's GPS coordinates against kangaroo distribution data to create a unique audio deterrent for the particular species inhabiting that location. By mixing natural and artificial sounds in real time, that RooBadge projects as a focused beam of high-frequency sound. When the signal hits a kangaroo, it alerts them of approaching danger, deterring them from the road.
We're working on sounds that will be meaningful to eastern grey kangaroos, things like dingo calls, alarm calls made by birds, and the alarm thumps that kangaroos make to warn each other. Later on, we'll be able to tweak it to the other species.
After a series of trials, we're entering the next phase, control testing on moving vehicles.
We need sufficient data to show that we've got an effect. We want a stimulus that is meaningful to the kangaroos, will stay with them, that they'll respond time and time again in a predictable way.
We're also in talks with our partners in Europe and North America to enable RooBadge to deter their biggest problem.
What's interesting about deer relative to kangaroos is they're very similar in body size, head size, and ear size. What we find with kangaroos has application for deer as well.
To think the Volkswagen RooBadge could not only reduce kangaroo collisions across Australia, but potentially animal collisions across the globe, it's pretty amazing.